Welcome to PHP theory class. Today topic is file system functions. File system functions base name chgrep, chgrp, chmod, chon, clear state cache, copy, delete, dir name, disk free space, disk total space, disk free space, fclose, feof, fflush, fgetc, fgetcsv, fgets, file exists, file get contents, file put contents, file a time, file c time, file g group, file group, file inode, file m time, file owner, file perms, file size, file type, flock, fn match, f open, f pass through, f put csv, f puts, f read, f scan, f seek, f state, f tell, f return cat, f write globe, is dir, is executable, is file, is link, is readable, is uploaded file, is writable, is writable, is writable, is writable, lchgrp, hgrep, lchon, link, link info, lstate, mkdir, move uploaded file, parse ini file, parse ini string, path info, pclose, popen, read file, read link, read path cache get, real path cache size, real path rename, rewind, rmdir, set file buffer, state, sim link, temp name, nam name, temp file, touch, umask, unlink. Clear state cache, PHP 4, PHP 5, PHP 7, PHP 8. Clear state cache, clears file status cache. Description: clear state cache, bool, variable clear, real path cache. Variable clear real path cache equal to false, string variable file name equal to void. When you use state, lstate or any of the other function listed in the affected function list below, PHP caches the information those function return in order to provide faster performance. However, in certain cases you may want to clear the cached information. For instance, if the same file is being checked multiple times within a single script and that file is in danger of being removed or changed under that script's operations, you may elect to clear the status cache. In these cases, you can use the clear state cache function to clear the information that PHP caches about a file. You should also note that PHP doesn't cache information about non-existence file. So if you call file exists on a file that doesn't exist, it will return false until you create the file. If you create the file, it will return true even if you then delete the file. However, unlink clears the cache automatically. Note, this information caches information about specific file names, so you only need to call clear state cache if you are performing multiple operations on the same file name and require the information about that particular file to not be cached. Affected functions include state, lstate, file exists, is writable, is readable, is executable, is file, is dir, is link, file ctime, file atime, file mtime, file inode, file group, file owner, file size, file type and file perms. Parameters: clear real path cache, whether to clear the real path cache or not. File name: clear the real path and the state cache for a specific file name only used if clear real path cache is true. Return values: no values is returned. Examples: example number 1, clear state cache example. PHP file output log.txt function get owner variable file, variable state equal to state variable file, variable user equal to POSIX get POUD PWUID get PWUID variable state UID return variable user name variable format equal to UID at %s and print variable format date r get honor variable file chown variable file rows print f variable format date r get honor variable file clear state cache print f variable format date r get honor variable file the above example will output something similar to UID at Sun 12 Oct 2008 2048 28 100 root UID at Sun 12 Oct 2008 48 28 plus 100 root UID at Sun 12 Oct 2008 48 28 100 rows copy PHP 4 PHP 5 PHP 7 PHP 8 copies file description copy string variable source string variable dest resource variable context equal to bool make a copy of the file source to dest if you wish to move a file use the rename function parameters source path to the source file dest the destination path if dest is a URL the copy the destination path if dest is a URL the copy operation may fail if the wrapper does not support overwriting of existing files. Warning: if the destination file already exists, it will be overwritten. Context: a valid context resources created with stream context create. Return values: return true on success or false on failure. Examples number 1 copy example PHP variable file equal to example.txt variable new file equal to example.txt.back if not copy if copy variable file variable new file echo fail to copy variable file ... n See also move an uploaded file to a new location, rename a file of or directory. The section of the manual about handling file uploads. Fclose, PHP 4, PHP 5, PHP 7, PHP 8. Fclose, close and open file pointer. Description: Fclose, resource variable stream bool. The file pointed to by stream is closed. Parameters: stream. The file pointer must be valid and must point to a file successfully opened by fopen or fsoc open. Return values: return true on success or false on failure. Examples: example 1, a simple fclose example. PHP variable handle equal to fopen some file.txt or fclose variable handle. See also fopen open file URL, fsoc open internet or Unix domain socket connection. Fgets, PHP 4, PHP 5, PHP 7, PHP 8. Fgets gets line from file pointer. Description: Fgets resource variable handle int variable length equal to string false. Get a line from file pointer. Parameters: handle. The file pointer must be valid and must point to a file successfully opened by fopen or fsoc open and not yet closed by fclose. Length: reading ends when length -1 byte have been read or a new line which is included in the return value or an EOF, whichever comes first. If no length is specified, it will keep reading from the stream until it reaches the end of the line. Return value. Return a string of up to length 1 minus 1 bytes. Read from the file pointed to by handle. If there is no more data to read in the file pointer, then false is returned. If an error occurs, false is returned. Examples. Number 1, reading a file line by line. PHP variable handle equal to at fopen tempt input file dot text r. If variable handle while variable buffer equal to fgets variable handle 4096 not equal false echo buffer. If not if few of variable handle echo error unexpected fgets fail and fclose handle. Note, if PHP is not properly recognizing the line ending when reading file either on or created by a Macintosh computer, enabling the auto detect line endings. Runtime configuration option may help resolve the problem. Note, people used to the C semantics of fgets should note the difference in how EOF is returned. See also fgets gets line from file pointer and strip HTML text. Fread binary say file read. Fgets gets a character from file pointer. Stream get line from stream resources up to a given delimiter. Fopen file or URL. Fopen opens process file pointer. Sock open internet or Unix domain socket connection. Stream set timeout prior on a stream. File PHP 4, PHP 5, PHP 7, PHP 8. File reads entire file into an array. Description: file string variable file name int variable flags equal to 0 resource variable context equal to question mark array reads an entire file into an array. Note, you can use file get contents to return the contents of a file as a string. parameters, file name, path to the URL. Tip: a URL can be used as a file name with this function if the fopen wrapper have been enabled. See fopen for more detail on how to specify the file name. See the support protocols and wrappers for links to information about what abilities the various wrappers have, notes on their uses, and information on any predefined variables they may provide. Flags: the optional parameters flags can be one or more of the following contents. File use include path. Search for the file in the include path. File ignore new lines. Omit new line at the end of each array element. File skip empty lines. Skip empty lines. Context: a context resources created with the stream context create function. Note: context support was added with PHP 5.0.0 for a description of a context. Refer to streams. Return values: return the file in an array. Each element of the array corresponds to a line in the file with the new lines still attached. Upon failure, file returns false. Note: each line in the resulting array will include the line ending unless file ignore new lines is used. Note: if PHP is not properly recognizing the line ending when reading file either on or created by a Macintosh computer, enabling the auto detect line ending runtime configuration option may help resolve the problem. Errors, exceptions: emit an e-warning label error if the file does not exist. Examples: number 1, file example. PHP: get a file into an array A. In this example we will go through HTTP to get the HTML source of a URL. Variable lines equal to file URL. Loop through our array. Show HTML source as HTML source and line number 2 for each. Variable lines as variable line num. Variable line echo line B. Variable line num. HTML special chars. Variable lee. Variable line. Using the optional flag parameter, variable trimmed equal to file name. File ignore new lines. File skip empty lines. Notes: warning when using SSL, Microsoft IIS will violate the protocol by closing the connection without sending a close notify indicators. PHP will report this as SSL fatal protocol error. When you reach the end of the data to work around this, the value of error reporting should be lowered to a level that does not include warnings. PHP can detect buggy IIS server software when you open the stream using the HTTPS wrapper, and will support the warning when using fsop open to create an SSL socket. The developers is responsible for detecting and suppressing this warning. See also file get contents reads entire file into a string. Read file, output a file. Open file or URL. Sock open internet or Unix domain socket connection. Open process file pointer. Include stream context. Creates a stream context. File M time. PHP 4, PHP 5, PHP 7, PHP 8. File M time gets file modification time. File M time means file modification time. M means modification. File modification time. File M time gets file modification time. Description. File M time. String variable file name. Int false. These functions return the time when the data blocks of a file were being written to, that is the time when the context of the file was changed. Parameters. In parameters there file name required, file name, path of the file. Return value. Return the time the file was last modified, or false or failure. The time is returned as a Unix timestamp which is suitable for the date function. Examples. Example number 1, file M time example. PHP outputs example. Some file.txt was last modified dated 29/2/002/22/16/23. Variable file name equal to file name. If file exists, variable file name echo file name was last modified .date fdyhis file M time variable file name. Errors exception. Upon failure, an e-warning is emitted. Note that type resolution may differ from one file system to another. Note, the result of this function are cached. See clear state cache for more details. Tip: as of PHP 5.0.0, this function can also be used with some URL wrappers. Refer to supported protocol and wrappers to determines which wrappers support state family of functionality. See also file ctime, get involved, change time of file state, give information about a file, touch gets access and modification time of a file, get last mode, get time of last page modification. File size, PHP 4, PHP 5, PHP 7, PHP 8. File size, gets file size. Description, file size, string, variable file name, int false. Get the size for the given file. Parameters, file name, path to a file, return value. Return values, returns the size of the file in bytes or false and generate an error or label e warning in case of an error. Note, because PHP's integer type is signed and many platforms use 32-byte integers, some file systems functions may return unexpected results for files which are larger than 2 GB. Examples, file size examples, PHP output example, some file text 1024 bytes. Variable file name equal to file name echo variable file name colon file size variable file name bytes. Error exception, upon failure an e warning is emitted. Note, the result of this function are cached. See clear state cache for more details. Tips, as of PHP 5.0.0, this function can also be used with some URL wrapper. Refer to supported protocol and wrappers to determine which wrappers support state family of functionality. See also file exists, check whether a file or directory exists. File exists. PHP 4, PHP 5, PHP 7, PHP 8. File exists. Check whether a file or directory exists. Description. File exists string variable file name colon bool. Check whether a file or directory exists. Parameters. File name path to the file or directory on window user. Computer name share file name or computer name share file name to check files on network share. Return value. Returns true if the file or directory is specified by file name exists, false otherwise. Note: this function will return false for sim links pointing to non-existing files. Note: the check is done using the real UID GID instead of the effective one. Note: because PHP integer type is signed and many platforms use 32-bit integers, some file systems function may return unexpected results for files which are larger than 2 GB. Examples 1. Testing whether a file exists. PHP file name equal to path to file. If file exists, variable file name echo the file variable file exists, else echo the file user file name do not exist. Error exception. Upon failure, an E warning is emitted. Note: the result of this function are cached. See clear state cache for more details. Tip: as of PHP 5.0.0, this function can also be used with some URL wrapper. Refer to support protocol and wrapper to determine which wrapper support state family of functionality. See also is readable tells whether a file exists, and is readable is writable tells whether the file name is writable, is file tell whether the file name is a regular file. File reads entire file into an array. SPL file info. Fopen. PHP 4, PHP 5, PHP 7, PHP 8. Fopen opens file or URL. Description: fopen string variable file name, string variable mode, bool variable use include path variable false, resource variable context variable question mark, resource. Fopen string variable file name, comma string variable mode, comma bool variable use include path false, comma resource variable context equal to question mark colon resource. Fopen binds a named resource specified by file name to a stream. Parameters. File name. If file name is of the form scheme, it is assumed to be a URL, and PHP will search for a protocol handler, also known as a wrapper, for that scheme. If no wrapper for that protocol are registered, PHP will emit a notice to help you track potential problems in your script, and then continue as though file name specifies a regular file. If PHP has decided that a file name specify a local file, then it will try to open a stream on that file. The file must be accessible to PHP, so you need to ensure that the file access permission allow this access. If you have enabled open base dir, further restriction may apply. If PHP has decided that file name specifies a registered protocol, and that protocol is registered as a network URL, PHP will check to make sure that allow URL fopen is enabled. If it is switched off, PHP will emit a warning and the fopen call will fail. Notice: the list of supported protocols can be found in supported protocol and wrappers. Some protocols also referred to as wrappers support context. Support context and or php.ini options. Refer to the specific page for the protocol in use for a list of options which can be set. Example: php.ini value user agent used by the HTTP wrappers. On the Windows platform, be careful to escape any backslash used in the path to the file, or use /. PHP variable handle equal to fopen, file link r mode. The mode parameters specifies the type of access you require to the stream. It may be any of the following: a list of possible modes for fopen using mode description r open for reading, read only, place the file pointer at the beginning of the file. R plus open for reading and writing, place the file pointer at the beginning of the file. W open for writing only, place the file pointer at the beginning of the file and truncate the file to 0 length. If the file does not exist, attempt to create it. W plus open for reading and writing, place the file pointer at the beginning of the file and truncate the file to 0 length. If the file does not exist, attempt to create it. A open for writing only, place the file pointer at the end of the file. If the file does not exist, attempt to create it. In this mode, AppSeek has no effect. Writes are always opened. A plus, open for reading and writing. Place the file pointer at the end of the file. If the file does not exist, attempt to create it. And in this mode, AppSeek only affect the reading position. Writes are always opened. X, create and open for writing only. Place the file pointer at the beginning of the file. If the file already exists, the fopen call will fail by returning false and generating an error of level E warning. If the file does not exist, attempt to create it. This is equivalent to specifying O oxel O create flags. For the underlying open to system call, X plus, create and open for reading and writing, otherwise it has the same behavior as X. C, open the file for writing only. If the file does not exist, it is created. If it exists, it is neither truncated as opposed to W, nor the call to this function fails, as is the case with X. The file pointer is positioned on the beginning of the file. This may be useful if it's desired to get an advisory lock. See flock before. Attempting to modifying the file as using could truncate the file before the lock was obtained. If truncation is desired, F truncate can be used after the lock is requested. C plus, open the file for reading and writing, otherwise it has the same behavior as C. E, set close on exec flag. On the open file description only available in PHP complied on POSIX POSIX.1 2008 confirmed systems. Note: different operating system families have different line ending conversions. When you write a text file and want to insert a line break, you need to use the correct line ending characters for your operating system. Unix based system use /n as the line ending character. Windows based system use /r/n as the line ending characters, and Macintosh based system Mac OS Classic use /r as the line ending characters. If you use the wrong line ending characters when writing your files, you might find that other applications that open those files will look funny. Windows offers a text mode translation flag T, which will transparently translate /n to /r/n when working with the file. In contrast, you can also use B for force binary mode, which will not translate your data. To use these flags, specify either B or T as the last character of the mode parameters. The default translation mode is B. You can use the T mode if you are working with plain text file and you use /n to delimit your line ending in your script, but expect your file to be readable with applications such as old version of Notepad. You should use the B in all other cases. If you specify that T flag when working with binary files, you may experience strange problems with your data, including broken image files and strange problems with /r/n characters. Note: for portability, it is also strongly recommended that you rewrite code that uses or relies upon the T mode so that it uses the correct line ending and B mode instead. Use include path. The optional third use include path parameter can be set to 1 or 2 if you want to search for the file in the include path 2. Context note: context support was added with PHP 5.0.0 for a description of context. Refer to streams. Return values: return a file pointer resources on success or false on failure. Error exception: upon failure an e-warning is emitted. Change log version description 7.0.16. The E option was 7.1.1 added. Examples number 1, fopen examples. PHP variable handle equal to fopen, file root R, variable handle equal to fopen, file root wb, variable handle equal to fopen, file URL R. Variable handle equal to fopen, URL W. Notes: warning. When using SSL, Microsoft IIS will violate the protocol by closing the connection without sending close notify indicators. PHP will report this as SSL fatal protocol error when you reach the end of the data. To work around this, the value of error reporting should be lowered to a level that does not include warning. PHP can detect buggy IIS server software when you open the stream using the URL, and will HTTPS wrapper, and will suppress the warning. When using fsock open to create an SSL socket, the developer is responsible for detecting and suppressing this warning. Note: if you are experiencing problems with reading and writing to files, and you are using the server module version of PHP, remember to make sure that the file and directories you are using are accessible to the server process. Note: this function may also succeed when file name is a directory. If you are unsure whether file name is a file or a directory, you may need to use this isdir function before calling fopen. See also supported protocols and wrappers. Fclose, close and open file pointer. Fgets line from file pointer. Fread, binary save file read. Fwrite, binary save file write. Fsock open fsock open internet or Unix domain socket connection. File read entire file into an array. File exists, check whether a file or directory exists, is readable. Tells whether a file exists and is readable. Stream set timeout period on a stream. Popen opens process file pointer. Stream context create. Stream context creates a stream context. Umask, change the current umask. SPL file object. Fread, PHP 4, PHP 5, PHP 7, PHP 8. Fread, binary save file read. Read binary save file read. Description: Fread resource variable stream, comma int variable length, colon string false, string or false. This is showing how our function will be organized. First, there is command, there is function name, and in function name we need to give resource variable stream, comma int integer variable length, and output will be either string or false. So this has given to show the smallest structure of the function. Read up to length bytes from the file pointer referenced referenced by stream reading stop as soon as one of the following conditions is met. Length bytes have been read, EOF end of file is reached, a pocket becomes available, or the socket timeout occurs for network stream. If the stream is read buffered and it does not represent a plain file, at most one read of up to a number of bytes equal to the chunk size, usually 8192, is made depending on the previously buffered data. The size of the written data may be larger than the chunk size. Parameters. Stream, a file system pointer resource that is typically created using fopen. Length, up to length number of bytes read, return values. Return the read string or false on failure. Examples number 1, a simple fread examples. PHP get connection, get contents of a file into a string, variable file name equal to file root, variable handle equal to fopen, variable file name r, variable contents equal to fread, variable handle, file size, variable file name, fclose, variable handle. Example number 2, binary fread example. Warning, on system which differentiate between binary and text files, example Windows, the file must be opened with B included in fopen mode parameters. PHP file name equal to file root, variable handle equal to fopen, variable file name rb, variable contents equal to fread, variable handle, file size, variable file name, fclose, variable handle. Example 3, remote fread examples. Warning, when reading from anything that is not a regular local file, such as streams returned when reading remote files, or from p open and fsoc open, reading will stop after a packet is available. This means that you should collect the data together in chunk as shown in the examples below. PHP variable handle equal to fopen, URL rb, variable contents equal to stream get contents, variable handle fclose, variable handle. PHP variable handle equal to fopen, URL rb, if false equal to variable handle exit fail to open stream to URL. Variable contents equal to while not fee of, variable handle, variable contents, dot equal to fread variable handle comma 8192 fclose variable handle. Note: if you just want to get the contents of a file into a string, use file get contents, as it has much better performance than the code above. Note that fread read from the current position of the file pointer. Use ftell to find the current position of the pointer and rewind the pointer position. See also fwrite binary save file writer. Fwrite binary save file writer. Fopen opens file or URL. Fsock open internet or Unix domain socket connection. Popen process file pointer. Gets line from file pointer. Gets line from the file pointer and strip HTML text. Scanf process input from a file according to a format. File reads entire file into an array. Pass through output all remaining data on the file pointer. Ftell return the current position of the file read write pointer. Rewind the position of a file pointer. Unpack data from binary string. Fwrite PHP 4, PHP 5, PHP 7, PHP 8. Fwrite binary save file write. Description: this is very much important to understand. It shows how you will write code using fwrite function. In fwrite function, so you need to write fwrite in the beginning, and there resources variable handle comma string variable string comma int variable length equal to question mark whatever result will come, and colon result will be int means integer. So if you understand this, you will write your code, your functions easily. Write the contents of a string to the file stream pointed to by handle. Parameters: handle, a file system pointer resource that is typically created using fopen. String, the string that is to be returned. Length, if the length argument is given, writing will stop after length byte have been written or the end of string is reached, whichever comes first. Note that if the length argument is given, then the magic quotes runtime configuration option will be ignored and no slashes will be stripped from string. Return value. Fwrite return the number of bytes written or false on error. Note. Warning to the network stream may end before the whole string is written. Return value of fwrite may be checked. PHP function fwrite stream variable fp comma variable string for variable written equal to 0 semicolon variable written less than strlen variable string semicolon variable written plus equal to variable fwrite equal to fwrite variable fp substr variable string variable written. If variable write equal to false, return variable written. Note: on system which differentiate between binary and text files, example window, that file must be opened with b included in fopen mode parameters. Note: if handle was fopened in appended mode, fwrites are atomic unless the size of string exceed the file system's block size on some platform and as long as the file is on a local file system. That is, there is no need to flock a resource before calling fwrite. All of the data will be written without interruption. Note: if warning twice to the file pointer, then the data will be appended to the end of the file content. PHP variable fp equal to fopen file fwrite variable fp1 fwrite variable fp23 fclose variable fp. The content of data this is file is now 123 and not 23. Examples. Example number 1, a simple fwrite example. PHP variable file name equal to file text file variable some content equal to add this to the file /n. Let's make sure that file exists and is writable first. If is writable, variable file name. Note: comment: in our example we are opening variable file name in append mode. Comment: the file pointer is at the bottom of the file, hence comment that where variable some content will go when we fwrite it. If not, variable handle equal to fopen variable file name a echo cannot open file variable file name exist. Write variable some content to our open file. If fwrite variable handle comma variables some comment content equal to false. Echo cannot write to a file variable file name exist. Echo success wrote variable some content to file variable file name. F close variable handle else. Echo the file variable file name is not writable. So you need to learn how if and else command is being used. In if and else command, a function and parameters is being passed, and after after that various options are provided, and whichever option is available, that is being executed. So you need to understand, slowly you will understand how these functions are being organized. See also fread binary safe file read. F open file or URL. F sock open internet or Unix domain socket connection. P opens process file pointer. File get contents read entire file into a string. Pack data into binary string. Right. This is F right. Read file. PHP 4, PHP 5, PHP 7, PHP 8. Read file. Output a file. Description. This is important to understand. We need to give the function name, that is read file, and thereafter string in variable file name. Bool means true or false. Variable use include path equal to false. Resources variable context equal to, this is question mark, here result will show, and semicolon result will show either in integer or in false. So after colon the expected results are given. So result would be either integer or either false. Read a file and writes it to the output buffer. Parameters file name, the file name being read. Use include path. You can use the optional second parameters and set it to true if you want to search for the file in the include path 2. Context or context stream resources return value. Return the number of bytes read from the file on success or false on the failure. Error exception. Upon failure, an E warning is emitted. Examples number 1, forcing or downloaded using read file. This is file name php variable file equal to monkeys.gif. So this file will be used in this function. If file exists, variable file header content description file transfer. Header content type application. Opt it stream header content, description, attachment, file name. Dot base name variable file, header expires 0, header cache, control colon must revalidate, header pragma public, header content length, file size variable file, read file variable file exist. The above example will output something similar to note. Read file will not present any memory issue even when sending large file on its own. If you encounter an out of memory error, ensure that output buffering is off with OB get level. Tip: a URL can be used as a file name with this function if the fopen wrapper have been enabled. See fopen for more details on how to specify the file name. See the supported protocols and wrappers for links to the information about what abilities the various wrappers have, note on their uses and information on any predefined variables they may provide. Note: context support was added with PHP 5.0.0 for the description of context refers to streams. See also. F pass through output all remaining data on a file pointer. File reads entire file into an array. Fopen open file or URL. Include require. Virtual perform an apache sub request. File get contents reads entire file into string. Support protocols and wrappers. Thank you very much for watching this video.